I promised strawberry cocktails, so today we're making strawberry cocktails. 8 of them to be precise. Stirred, shaken, built, blended, we'll cover it all. As for the strawberries, we have syrup, liqueur and fresh. But frozen would work as well. We've already covered strawberry shrub, strawberry cordial and strawberry basil puree cocktails, so I'll just link those in the description. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button if you want more episodes like this, and share this video with somebody that's crazy about strawberries. With that, strawberry cocktail time. I'm starting with one of my very favorite twists, the Strawberry Negroni, and I'll try to make sure this episode isn't jam-packed with strawberry puns. For the Strawberry Negroni, you'll need gin, sweet vermouth, Campari, and something we made very recently, Strawberry Liqueur. For gin, you can't go wrong with Beefeater, the workhorse London dry gin. At 40% ABV or 80 proof, is the world's most awarded gin for a reason. 1 ounce or 30 ml straight over a tempered clear ice block in a chilled lowball glass. Follow that with a little less, 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of sweet vermouth. Novedante Inferno tastes great and has a beautiful dark red color. Next, the same amount, 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of Campari. And to make it a Strawberry Negroni, 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of our strawberry liqueur. This isn't as sweet as your typical store-bought strawberry liqueur, so don't worry about having an overly sweet Negroni. But to enhance all the flavors, let's add in 2 drops of 20% saline solution. Stir with a bar spoon to mix, chill and dilute the cocktail. For garnish, I'm adding half of a strawberry right on top of the ice. Let's finish it off with a spray of essential oils from an orange peel. Discard the peel, and that's the Strawberry Negroni. It's bitter, sweet, with strong strawberry and hints of chocolate. Bookmark this one for Valentine's Day. We started with a variation of the #1 best-selling classic cocktail, according to Drinks International. Let's continue with number 2, the old-fashioned. This time using the strawberry syrup. Grabbing one of these delicious strawberry-packed syrups from Liber & Co. gives you the option of turning any cocktail into a strawberry dessert. I'll link it below. And since that was made with the best sun-ripened strawberries from America's west coast, we're not mixing it with a classic bourbon, but a single barrel expression from 4 roses, along with bitters and saline. So once you have a chilled mixing glass, add in 2 ounces or 60 ml of this wonderful high ABV bourbon. Next, 3/4 of an ounce or 7.5 ml of Liber & Co.'s strawberry syrup, which will also give it a nice texture, thanks to gum arabic. For bitters, I'm using the classics, 2 dashes of Angostura aromatic bitters, and to enhance the flavors, 2 drops of saline solution. Add plenty of ice, stir to chill and dilute, then pour it over a clear ice cube. Garnish with the other half of the strawberry. Add orange essential oils once again, and that's it. A very old-fashioned, boozy, sweet, rich and fruity. After 2 stirred cocktails, let's make something shaken. This one will be made with something that some people call a cognac, but it's not. So instead of the sidecar, we'll call this cocktail the Strawberry Chariot. The base will be Ararat Ani 7, a 7-year aged Armenian brandy, made with only indigenous Armenian grapes. I'll mix it with strawberry liqueur, lemon juice, gum syrup, and saline. As mentioned, I'll be shaking this, so into a chilled shaker, start with 1.5 ounce or 45 ml of Ararat 7. Next, 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of lemon juice, freshly squeezed or super juice. Follow that with 1 ounce or 30 ml of our strawberry liqueur. Again, this was fast and easy to make, so check out that episode if you haven't already. For a little extra sweetness, let's add 1/4 of an ounce or 7.5 ml of gum or simple syrup, which I like to add in the sidecar as well, instead of using a sugared rim. And as always, a little salt to enhance all the flavors, 2 drops. Now add ice, shake hard to chill, dilute and aerate the drink. This one will be served in a coupe glass. No garnish needed for the Strawberry Chariot. Strawberry forward, fresh and well-rounded and perfectly balanced. One of the best cocktails of the day. We've done stirred and shaken cocktails. Now let's make a blended one. And instead of going the obvious route and doing a strawberry pina colada, I'll make a frozen berry Negroni, a Forberoni. Sorry Italy. This time I'm going with Malfi Rosa, a fusion of Sicilian pink grapefruits, Italian lemons, fine botanicals and hand-picked juniper to create an interesting flavored gin with an Italian twist. Sweet vermouth, Campari and saline solution stay the same, but we're adding fresh strawberries and orange juice. We'll make enough for 3 cocktails. So into a blender, first add 3 ounces or 90 ml of Malfi Rosa gin. Next, 3 ounces or 90 ml of Novedante Inferno. Follow that with 3 ounces or 90 ml of Campari. for orange juice we need 67.5 ml or 2¼ of an ounce of fresh orange juice. And lastly, 9 to 12 strawberries, depending on the size. Since this will be a frozen cocktail, the flavors could get subdued, so boosting them with 6 drops of saline solution makes even more sense. Then add 540 ml of pebble ice and blend everything until you get a nice slushy consistency. If you need a good blender that doesn't break the bank, I'll link this one in the description below. Pour into chilled lowball glasses. Try not to overfill them like I did with this one. And garnish with a strawberry or an orange slice. The Frobberoni. Orangey, bittersweet, floral and berry-like. With 4 cocktails down, you might need a little pick-me-up. So let's make strawberry espresso martini. Strawberry and chocolate go well together, so why not strawberry and coffee? You'll need vodka. I'm going with Absolute Elix, a luxury vodka with 42% ABV or 84 proof. Strawberry liqueur, a shot of espresso, a little Kahlua, and saline solution. Into a shaker, add 1½ ounce or 45 ml of vodka. Follow that with 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of our strawberry liqueur. To add a bit more coffee notes and sweetness, let's add a ½ ounce or 50 ml of Kahlua coffee liqueur. This isn't needed if you have a sweeter strawberry liqueur. Now pour in a shot of fresh espresso. That's 1 ounce or 30 ml. Get a light roast if possible, which will have some berry notes already. Lastly, to boost the flavors, 2 drops of 20% saline solution. Then add plenty of ice and shake hard to chill and dilute the ingredients. Double strain into a chilled martini glass and garnish like you would an espresso martini with 3 coffee beans. The strawberry espresso martini is fruity, sweet and has a great coffee berry balance. Okay, I think we're ready for 3 more, with the first one being a sour with a very big foam. We'll again use Beefeater gin, strawberry liqueur, lemon juice, but add in egg white to give us that nice foam and texture. Saline solution doesn't need an introduction. Add ice to the big tin and ingredients into the smaller one. This time our strawberry liqueur will be the base, so add 2 ounces or 60 ml followed by 1 ounce or 30 ml of gin to support the liqueur. For lemon juice, I'll add 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml. I still have freshly squeezed, but super juice is a great option here. Now we need egg white. We shall break into a different shaker through a hot on strainer, which is one of my favorite cocktail hacks. Give it a quick blitz with a milk frother, which will make it easier to measure out ½ ounce or 50 ml. Lastly, 2 drops of saline solution to boost the flavors, and you're ready to foam it up with a good blitz from a milk frother instead of doing a dry shake. Now drain the ice, add the cocktail and shake hard to chill and dilute the cocktail. Then double strain into a chilled coupe glass to keep out all the small bits of ice, and that's it. The Berry Big Foam, a dry, tart, strawberry version of White Lady. Now for a simple build it in the glass cocktail, a highball with strawberry liqueur. Let's make the Berry High. You'll need strawberry liqueur, soda water, some balsamic vinegar and saline solution. Once you have a chilled highball glass with a tempered ice pear, let's add in 120 grams of soda water. As always, when you want to be precise with bubbly ingredients, it's easier to do it with a scale. Now add in 2 ounces or 60 ml of strawberry liqueur. Due to the sweetness, it will mix through the soda water. Now for a nice pairing flavor and a little complexity, add a bar spoon of balsamic vinegar. Once you drop in 2 drops of saline solution, you can mix the cocktail gently with a bar spoon, and it's ready for the garnish, a lemon balm bouquet which you place on the top. The Berry High, a refreshing, light, acidic strawberry highball. And for the last cocktail of the day, with a few added red ingredients. Let's make the cocktail I'm calling Seeing Rouge. It will be made with strawberry liqueur, Lillet Rouge, lime super juice, but fresh works as well of course, purple basil, which is also known as red basil, and saline solution. It will be a shaken cocktail, but we'll first model the basil in strawberry liqueur and Lillet Rouge, so add in 1 ounce or 30 ml of both of these red ingredients. Lillet Rouge is made from a blend of Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot grapes that are fortified with lemon and orange brandies, along with a quinine and botanical infusion. We'll add nice herbal notes, with a good model of 8 to 10 red basil leaves. You can use green as well, but we still had plenty of these from the purple gin basil smash episode. Then add in 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 ml of lime super juice, and finish it with 2 drops of 20% saline solution. Add ice, shake hard to chill and dilute, then double strain over a clear ice sphere to keep out any small parts of basil, and garnish with a fresh red basil leaf. Seeing Rouge, herbal, fresh, light, and with plenty of berries. With that, we reached the end of the episode. We'll stay in the studio for a little while before we reach the bottom of all these glasses. But if you'd like to make even more strawberry cocktails, you can also try the Strawberry Margarita or the Antiguan Daiquiri, with recipes from our friends from Liber & Co. Or check out one of these strawberry-themed cocktail time cocktails. I'll see you next week. Cheers!